Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Would you guys like to see what I got in my Fabfitfun editor summer box? If so, stay tuned. Hey guys, what's going on? So today the FedEx-Man dropped me off my Fabfitfun editors edition for the summer of 2020. So do you guys want to see what I got? Because I really do. I'm really intrigued. My hubby got me this. He's the best.
Surprise!
Surprise! I had no idea he was getting this. And I wanted to see what you would get. I get emails all the time. And it says starter box. And you go in. And it's just a little magazine. There it is. And then America's #1 meal kits, HelloFresh, 10 free meals with purchase, use code. I'm using that. I've been wanting to get this for so long. And this, the editor's box, total retail from $206 to $452. This is crazy. I have no idea what's in this box. And then pass this on to a friend, which I do have a promo code, and you get 15% off your first Fabfitfun box. So look at my link in my description and you'll see it. Our place, get 20% off the best-selling kitchen essential from our place. So there's a 20% off coupon. And this is what the box looks like. Squirrel just squirt.
Is that a squirrel?
There's a squirrel that scared me. Can't even talk. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, the first thing I see is the original makeup eraser, which I actually just got this in my Thera box. So this will be going into my future giveaway, which is coming up real soon. And this values for $31. And the next thing I have is Macarin Gold Series Pure Argan Oil Leave-In Mask. Intense care for all hair types. Macarin Gold Series Leave-In Mask. So let's find this. Oh, here it is. This retails for $39. And it's a moisturizer and protects against heat and UV damage while detangling hair and sealing split ends. So let's take it out of the box. I have to smell it. I love hair products. Oh, it's kind of a... Well, this actually is gonna last a long time because argan oil does last a long time. Oh, it's a cream. Oh, it smells so good. It smells delicious. And the next thing I have is Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty.
Is this leave-in conditioner?
Yeah, you leave that in your hair.
Leave-in matte, just at the bottom.
Give me 1 second, I'm trying to find it. Okay guys, so here's the product. And it does need to be opened. And this is a Hydro Repair Day Cream. And it's got camellia, drumiums, blossoms. It protects and hydrates the skin without leaving a greasy finish. So we have another repair cream. And then we have Soft Focus Glow Drops by Roldo. Wow, this is a big bottle. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that the hair cream by the Grow Alchemist valued for $49.
$49 for this one?
Yeah.
That's a good buy.
So these soft focus glow drops gives the skin a natural dewy complexion, and this retails for $55. It has a good smell to it. Oh, it smells good, like a hippie smell. I don't know if you can see it or not. It gives you a little glowy finish. Okay. Then we have by Kimberly Snyder, Vibrating Facial Wand by Soluna. What is... Ah! Things are flying out. Oh my goodness, what is this device? I love facial devices. I use my Jade Roller, my facial contour. So, this vibrating facial tool, this beauty tool helps your skincare products absorbs into the skin through massaging movements. And if you guys see, it comes with a battery. So I want to, oh no, it's all tied in there. Hold on, I might be able to get out. Can you unwrap that?
Unwrap it?
I have my hubby next to me. And put the battery in the bottom.
Yeah.
So I'll show you guys if it vibrates, if it came damaged or not. Or if it works. I think it will work fine. And then, oh, Humankind skincare with Cone Science Body Shuffle Cream Souffles. So this I've seen before, and this I know retails for $18.50, and it's Humankind, Human Plus Kind. Lather yourself in a sauté blend of apricot oil and shea butter. And this is one of the top picks. So all these are top picks from Fabfitfun. Okay, and then I have Stone Street Soap House Wholesome Body Cream. Hey ho. And this retails for $25. This formula contains English honey and almond oil to nourish your skin. So we have to smell this. It did not have a seal. Oh, I don't like when it doesn't have a protective seal. But you know what? It smells so good. Woo! It smells delicious. And up we have one more item. And it's from Winky Lux Rainbow Balm Lip Balm. And I have Winky Lux from my other box, my annual summer box. I am using their brow pencil right now. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. It's a rainbow. Oh, and it's so nice and soft. It feels really good on the skin. And let me find that. This retails for $18. Give your lips just then kiss flush of color with this tinted and HP hybrid balm. Is it working?
It's vibrant, but you can't, if you screw it all the way in, the bottom all the way in, it stops.
Okay. So it vibrates. Can you guys hear it? Oh, this is so cool.
Will it work for underneath your eyes? Like
yeah, it's gonna work for everywhere. You just gotta have, I would put some oil or some kind of something. Yeah. Wow, guys, I am so impressed by this box. I will leave the total value down below. If you guys like this video, could you like it? Comment, subscribe, and follow me over on Alli's Magical Insights. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so So I'm going to be having a giveaway really soon, and there's going to be a bunch of different things in it. So if you guys follow me, you will know when my giveaway will be up. I will be posting it on YouTube, letting you know when it's up, and also on Instagram. And if you follow me over on Instagram, it's Alli's Magical Insights, and it'll be coming soon, guys. Just keep watching. All right, toodles. Fabfitfun, I really, really love your boxes. After getting your box yesterday, my normal annual one, and then getting the Editor's Choice box was so awesome. The products that you put in your boxes are amazing, and your boxes are well worth the money. And you've made my day the last 2 days, actually. So thank you so much.